So, my nail just broke, like all the way down to here. So, what a great start. Okay guys, I am here today to tell you, well, first to do an OWLCRATE unboxing. This is my very first OWLCRATE box ever. And this video, I think, in my opinion, is more so like, is OWLCRATE worth it? I have not tried any of the other bookish subscription boxes, so I can't tell you like comparison-wise. Maybe in the future, maybe, who knows. But I wanted to show you guys what's in the March box for OWLCRATE and let you guys know my thoughts and my opinions and let you know if it is worth it. So, if you guys are new here, hi, I'm Kendra. Go ahead and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. I'd love to have you guys join the family. And let's just go ahead and get right on into it. I seriously can't believe my nail broke that far down. Oh man. First things first, I don't have a box cutter, so I'm gonna use scissors. Let's open her up. I've watched so many of Books with Chloe's OWLCRATE unboxing that I'm gonna just try and follow like the same things she does. So there's a card. I'm covering the back because I don't want to know what's in the box yet. But look how cool that card is. It's like a murder mystery theme card. So we open our box here. We've got something up top. And this looks like a tote. I am moving in a few weeks, so I can use all the extra totes that I can get. Oh, it's like a little backpack, like a drawstring backpack. This will be super, super helpful. On the bottom it has this like fake leather, and it has like a skull, like a potion, like, or not a potion, poison bottle, and a dagger, and a feather, and leaves. So I'm not sure like what exactly this goes to. I'm sure I can read it afterwards, but I don't want to look at that yet because I don't want anything to be spoiled. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is a mug. I think this is also based on Nevernight by J. Kristoff, because so is this, and it has the exact same pattern. Nevernight is on my, okay, I'm not very good at opening stuff. Nevernight is on, I think it's gonna be on my TBR for April, and I'm so freaking excited. Look at how cool this mug is. It's like a porcelain mug, and it says never flinch, never fear, never forget. And I know that never flinch is like something that's in the book, and I'm so excited to read that. And it has like a rubber top. This is so cool. I don't drink coffee, and I don't drink lots of tea or other things, but this could still be helpful one day. Next, we have a little candle, which has the flavor black cherry and lime. Ooh, that smells really good. If you know me, love candles. I literally have a candle lit like at all times. And it says, in the wick of time, Corsi OWLCRATE exclusive. So I will read up on this a little bit more, but not just yet, because I don't want to be spoiled yet. Okay, and we have a pin from the brand, I think this is called From Iron and Ink. I'm not sure what this refers to yet, but we will look it up. But I will take it out of its packaging and give you guys a better look. So the pin is like this really cool compass looking thing. And I'm pretty sure this spins. Yep, it spins. But look at that. It has like names of places. I will read up on all this stuff in a second. We also have a bookmark, which says, when the snow falls and the white winds blow, the lone wolf dies, but the pack survives. Shut up. Is this from Game of Thrones? It is from Game of Thrones, but is it from something else? Am I an idiot? It's like a legit wood, bookmark. Here's the thing, the colors are throwing me off, but I know that this quote is from Game of Thrones, so I'll look into it. But I'm obsessed because go House Stark, okay? Oh, I just saw the book, but I'm going to get into everything else. Well, that refers to the book. Okay, and then we have this sticker which says, I want revenge, then I want my crown. Okay, and then I'm gonna show you the book because the next thing ties in with the book. We get an OWLCRATE exclusive of 4 Dead Queens. Now, I do already have this book, have not read it, but I will show you the difference of the covers because I'm totally digging this one, I think, a little bit more. But this is so pretty. So this came out, I think, last month. Like, it's brand new. And that's usually what happens with OWLCRATE boxes. So we get this little card here that I think are probably just the main characters. Holy crap, this girl looks a lot like Jessica Chastain. Like, I'm not wrong, right? That girl, Jessica Chastain. Anyways, so this is a note from the author, maybe? This is the cover of 4 Dead Queens. So it looks almost identical to the other one except for the colors, and I will, again, I will show you. And then we just get a little pencil that has 4 Dead Queens on it, and it says, One Conspiracy for Dead Queens. This is super pretty. It has, I wish I knew the name for this, I'll look it up, but it has like jagged edges. There's probably a better term for that. But let me show you what this looks like. See the difference? This one has red and this one has like blue-green. And I don't know, they're both so pretty. I mean, I don't want to keep both, but I kind of do because I love both covers, which is maybe stupid, but my sister doesn't have one. Maybe I'll give it to her. I don't know. I do love like the turquoise on this, but a girl loves red. Let's be real. Let's be real. And this is the Barnes & Noble's exclusive edition. I don't know what it looks like normally. But it says 1 Big Lie, 2 Forbidden Romances, 3 Days to Catch a Killer. So this is like a murder mystery, and the theme of this box was murder mystery. It says 17-year-old Carolee Corrington may seem harmless, but in fact, she's one of Quadara's most skilled thieves and a liar. Varen, on the other hand, is an honest, upstanding citizen of Quadara, most enlightened region, Ionia. Varen runs afoul of Carolee when she steals a package from him, putting his life in danger. When Varen attempts to retrieve the package, he and Carolee find themselves entangled in a conspiracy that leaves all 4 Quadara's queens dead. With no other choices and on the run from Carolee's former employer, the two decide to join forces, endeavor to discover who has killed the queens, and save their own lives in the process. When their reluctant partnership blooms into a tenuous romance, they must overcome their own dark secrets in hopes of a future together that seemed impossible just days before. But first, they have to stay alive and untangle the secrets behind the nation's 4 dead queens. An enthralling, fast-paced murder mystery where competing agendas collide with deadly consequences. 4 Dead Queens heralds the arrival of an exciting new YA talent. The author is Astrid Schultz. Anyways, this cover is so pretty. This is a signed copy. You do get a signed little guy in there. Okay, so now let's go over the cod. So it says, join the ranks of the Assassins of the Red Church with your very own travel mug, inspired by Nevernight, and designed with love by Katarina Book Designs. Katarina. Good grief. Katarina Book Design. And then it says, pack up your supplies in your exclusive canvas drawstring backpack as you head out for an evening of mischief. This adorably dark backpack was designed exclusively for you by Michelle Gray. That's also a Nevernight thing, I think. Well, I think it might just be like anything, but anyways. And then it says, it is Game of Thrones. I'm not stupid. Okay, it's a wooden bookmark designed by Wooden Designs, and it's like obviously Game of Thrones, and I'm definitely gonna use that. That is so cool. Oh, and this candle refers to the book Savage Song, which I have not read yet. And I've heard some people really liked it, some people didn't. So it's not particularly on my TBR, but smells good anyways. The sticker refers to the book 3 Dark Crowns, which my sister read, and she said it was like good, but it wasn't great, so I don't own it, and it's not particularly on my TBR. That's not to say I won't read it at some point, but you know what I mean. So this is an exclusive signed edition, as well as an author from the letter, and a character art print, and an exclusive pencil, which I showed you guys already. The pin refers to the book. The pin that I showed you guys, it does refer back to the book, so that is really cool. I'm actually really excited to read this book, and that's why I already had it purchased. Like when I walked into Barnes & Noble's a couple weeks ago, I bought it. Anyways, so then it just shows you in here the differences. So I'm not sure like how this is an exclusive edition, if it's the regular edition, Barnes & Noble's. And then if you didn't know, like the OWLCRATE little booklet in here comes with some things you can do, and it tells you a little bit more about like the people who designed some of the things that are in the book. And I am bloody excited for the next month. So if you don't want to know yet what the theme of the next month is, that's okay. Turn the video off or whatever, but we chillin'. I'm leaning back on my bookshelf, and I want to tell you how excited I am for next month. The next month is called The Dark Side, and your girl likes the dark side. And it says flip for a sneak peek, and it says every April box will include an exclusive scarf designed by Bookmarked Tattoos. I don't know what scarf, but the picture they included is the Dark Mark from Harry Potter, and I am so here for that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. If this includes Harry Potter merch, which it better include Harry Potter merch and maybe something Slytherin in there, I would be so excited. Anyways, on my quick little review / unboxing, I would have to say that I think OWLCRATE is worth it. For me, obviously I already had this book, so you know? But that is the risk you run when you walk into Barnes & Noble and you buy every book in sight and you also are subscribed to a book subscription box. So that's my own fault, really. But I do love both of these covers so much. Hopefully I really, really like this book, because if I really, really like this book, then I'll probably just keep both editions. But if I like it but don't love it, then I'll probably end up giving one to my sister, so unless she has already bought it, which I don't think she has. Not sure. So yeah, I do think that OWLCRATE is worth it. I know that there's some other ones out there called like Loot Crate, and one's called like Loot Crate might not be a box. It might just be like fanboy / fangirl stuff. But I know there's like Fairy Loot, and there's a few other that I'm not super familiar with, but I really liked this box. I'm really excited. I'm hoping to get to 4 Dead Queens next month. If not, maybe May. We shall see. But I am bloody excited for Nevernight by J. Kristoff, so I'm really excited to like have some little merch items from it. And yeah, I think that was going to be it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, please let me know by giving me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you are new here, I'd love to have you guys join the family. And without further ado, I'm just gonna let you guys go. So have a great morning, noon, evening, day, night, whenever it happens to be that you're watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!
When you speak, angel, sing from above. Every day would seem turning into love song.